Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin with parts and a quick verification. Confirm the GPS module, ESP32 or similar MCU, battery, and optional GSM are compatible. Next, solder pin headers, connect TX/RX for GPS and power lines. Make sure ground is common. Once done, flash a simple power-on LED sketch to verify the MCU responds. You do this to avoid wasting time later. Faulty power or mismatched voltage destroys modules, so double-check wiring and voltage regulators before moving on. You now write and load firmware that reads enemy sentences from the GPS, parses latitude, longitude, and fix quality, then packages that into JSON. Next, implement a transport. Use GSM HTTP post or MQTT over Wi-Fi depending on coverage. Include retries and exponential backoff so data isn't lost. Make sure to add battery measurement and deep sleep between transmissions to extend life. You do this so the device reliably reports location while conserving power and handling intermittent connectivity. You finish by validating the full system under realistic conditions. Test outdoors to ensure consistent GPS fixes and end-to-end delivery to your server or dashboard. Once satisfied, mount the antenna externally if possible, secure boards with standoffs, and seal the enclosure against moisture. This preserves signal and longevity. Finally, enable OTA updates and set alerts for low battery or signal loss so you can fix issues remotely. Troubleshooting tip: if fixes fail, check antenna connection and enable Verbose GPS debug to inspect raw enemy output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.